Chapter 8. Heritage of Knowledge. History of Writing. Early humans did not have the knowledge to grow or cook food. They observed nature and things around them. This helped them to cope with different situations. They gradually learned that fire could provide them relief from cold and protection from beasts. They also learned that if they worked hard, they could grow crops and lead a settled life. This marked the beginning of cultivation and, later, civilization. Their keen interest in learning helped them to improve their standard of life. As the human civilization developed, a need was felt to retain knowledge in permanent form which would help the future generations. This led to the development of science. Ancient writing. Pictography is the system of drawing on caves. This was the beginning of writing. This system recorded objects and objective situations. Ideography is the system of representing ideas. It was a refinement of pictography. It also constituted drawing symbols to represent various ideas. Logograms are symbols representing the whole word. This marked the beginning of writing as a language. Various scripts based on this form of writing, like the Chinese script, are still in use. Indus script is believed to be as old as 3500 BCE. The Indus script is the writing system developed by the Indus Valley Civilization, and it is the earliest form of writing known in the Indian subcontinent. This writing system remains undeciphered. Cuneiform script was developed by the Sumerians. It was used for keeping accounts. The Sumerians marked symbols for keeping record. Later, the cuneiform script also included phonetic elements, giving it a complete form. Egyptian hieroglyphics was a writing technique which used logographs and alphabet. It was used by the administrators, priests, and the military authorities. It is believed to have developed 3200 BCE. Modern writing. Gradually, the modern system of writing developed. Today, we know that writing plays an important part in our life. We record or document almost every important thing in our life. History of numbers. Numbers developed as humans felt the need to note time for activities such as growing crops, hunting, and so on. They noted time by marking lines for counting the passing days and months. This marked the beginning of numbers. Later, it gained a wider role in trade and commerce. The number system developed simultaneously around the world. India has also made a great contribution to the number system by inventing zero. It is called Shunya in Sanskrit. The Egyptians had a very interesting way of depicting numbers. They drew a line for 1. They made a rope for 10. A coil of rope represented 100. In this way, they designed symbols for counting up to 1 million. Greek philosophers, such as Pythagoras and Archimedes, made great contribution to numbers and mathematical calculations. Numbers make our life easy as they help in keeping things organized. They help in running this world in a proper fashion. Not only this, the computer cannot function without two numbers, 0 and 1. These are known as binary numbers. The whole computer system works only on these binary codes. The history of paper. Earlier, writing was only done on cave walls. As empires and commerce began to spread, a strong need was felt to find a medium to carry the written inscriptions. It was then that clay tablets came into existence. Instructions were inscribed on them. Clay tablets were difficult and heavy to carry. Hence, a need was felt for writing on lighter materials. Egyptians were the first to use the pith of the papyrus plant as a medium for writing. The manuscripts were copied, but they could not be copied in huge quantities. However, once the printing press was invented, the use of paper increased manifold. Today, paper is available in abundance. The invention of printing. Printing has played a great role in the spread of knowledge in the modern world. It made information reach the common people. Earlier, only those people who had money and resources could buy manuscripts. This prevented the spread of knowledge among the masses. Common people did not have access to knowledge and thoughts of great philosophers and scientists. However, once printing was invented, it changed the whole concept of the spread of knowledge and information. It not only ushered the common masses into an era of enlightenment, but also revolutionized them. All great revolutions, such as the French Revolution, the Russian Revolution, the American War of Independence, and our own struggle for independence can be attributed to the spread of knowledge through the printing of books and newspapers. In the 15th century CE, Johannes Gutenberg of Germany invented the mechanized printing press. Molds of letters were made which used to leave impression on paper with the help of ink. These molds could be arranged differently to print various things. They were reusable and economical. The printing press consumed less time. It printed books, newspapers, and magazines, which were full of information and easily accessible to everyone. Today, the printing technology has developed considerably. We can print anything by using our laser printers.